Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the Children's Museum of the East End in Bridgehampton, New York. It's a place where kids can learn, play, and explore, and I can't wait to show you around. Let's go! Okay, we're inside. The energy here is amazing. You can feel the excitement. Look at this entrance. It already feels like a wonderland for kids. This windmill exhibit is not just fun, but also super educational. Imagine learning about renewable energy while cranking up the windmill. Oh, this is adorable. You can also play with wooden trains and Legos. What about pretending to drive a fire truck? So nice. Check this out. Kids can pretend to be sailors here. Look at them loading cargo and navigating the ship. So cool. And over here is the library. This is such a peaceful and a creative space. They also do workshops and holiday celebrations, so check their calendar before your visit. What an incredible experience! The Children's Museum of the East End is such a gem for families. If you're in the area, this place is a must-visit. Thanks for coming along with me today. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one.